Alexa, ask Alarm.com, turn on the living room light.
Turning on the living room light.
Much better. Hi, I'm Abe Kinney. I'm a product manager at Alarm.com. Today I'm going to show you how to control your Alarm.com home with the Amazon Echo. As part of your Alarm.com powered smart home, the Amazon Echo gives you voice control over the most important devices in your home. Alexa, ask Alarm.com, is my front door unlocked?
The front door is unlocked. Would you like me to lock it?
Yes.
Lock in one lock?
Alexa, ask Alarm.com to arm my system.
Are you sure you want to arm stay your security system?
Yes, please.
Your security system is being arm stay.
Alexa, ask Alarm.com, what is the temperature in here?
The current temperature is 76 degrees. The air conditioner is set to 75.
Alexa, ask Alarm.com to set the kitchen thermostat to 72 degrees.
The AC was set to 72.
You can even use the Amazon Echo to control your garage door. Alexa, ask Alarm.com to close my garage door.
Garage door is being closed.
The Alarm.com skill for Amazon Echo is available now. Find out more at Alarm.com.